Okay students, today we are going to start a new chapter of ICSE class 10 biology. The chapter is excretory system. This is the introductory part of this chapter. We will study about the term excretion and the excretory organs and the structure of kidney. Let's start. So first let us know what is excretion. Excretion is the process of removal of nitrogenous waste. Now what are these nitrogenous waste? Nitrogenous waste are those waste which contains nitrogenous compounds, like example such as urea. So the removal of this kind of waste from the body is called excretion. Okay, so you need to remember this is the key term, that nitrogenous waste. Now what are the excretory organs? The main excretory organ which is present in our body is kidney. It is the most important excretory organ, and the others that are present are the sweat glands for the removal of sweat, lungs. Okay. Now one thing that you need to remember is that excretion cannot be confused with defecation. Defecation is the removal of fecal matter from our digestive system. Okay, so that is not excretion, that is the removal of undigested food. But excretion is the removal of nitrogenous waste, okay, like urea. So in humans, the urinary system is excretory system, but we call it as excretory system because it is the most appropriate. Okay, now so this is our whole urinary system. Here these are the kidneys, these two. Now structure of kidney, you have to remember, kidney are the bean shaped organs located on either side. Its location you should also remember, that it is located on either side of the backbone which is present at the back, and it is protected by the last two ribs. And the other important thing, that is the right kidney is slightly lower than the left one because the liver pushes it down. You need to remember this also. Here as you can see, this one is our right kidney. From your perspective it will be left, but according to the human physiology, if you will see, so this one is the right one. So this one is a little bit lower as compared to the left one. Okay, why? Because the liver pushes it down. So these are the two kidneys. This is our renal artery and veins that is present, which carries the dirty blood to the kidney and take away the pure blood after the urine formation. Now this tube-like structure is our ureter. It emerges from the kidney and goes down to enter into the urinary bladder. Now urinary bladder opens into the urethra, which helps in the process called micturition. Micturition is the process of voiding out of urine, means the removal of urine from the body to the outside is called micturition. So the urine is removed with the help of urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure, and urethra is again controlled by the sphincter. Sphincter is a kind of muscle which helps in the opening and the closing of urethra. Okay, this is the bladder which stores the urine. Now comes the internal structure of kidney. So this is the important part. You need to remember all this because it often comes in the exam. So what are the main structures that are present in the kidney? The outermost part of the kidney is a dark part called the cortex. As you can see, this is the dark part. It is called the cortex. Now the inner light part is called the medulla. This is the renal artery. Why we are calling it renal? Because anything related to kidney we call it as renal. Okay, renal artery, renal vein, renal tubule. This carries the dirty blood into the kidney for the purification. This is the renal vein. After purification, the blood is carried from here to the heart. So this is the renal vein. This is the pelvis, this is the broad part in which the urine flows after the absorption, and the main thing that is present is the pyramid. Pyramid are the kidney tubules which are responsible for the purification of the blood, okay, and which are responsible for the urine formation. So this kidney tubule, we will learn about it in the next video. This is the main structural and the functional unit of kidney. These, as you can see, there are millions of kidney tubules that are present in the kidney. So they, after the urine formation, they pour it into the pelvis, which in turn flows through the ureter and enters into the urinary bladder. Okay, so this was our structure of kidney. In the next video we will study about the structure of kidney tubule, which is the structural and functional unit of kidney, and also we will study about the urine formation, the processes that are involved during that. So this was it. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.